I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, cadets. Let's have a mild Monday. Lunis Sarve. Have a great day.
Good morning, Frederick High School. It's Mrs. Green again, and we're here with today's daily trivia question. Today's question: which farm animal produces the largest litters? Is it goat, chicken, cow, or pig? As always, drop your answer in the box below, and we will let you know the answer tomorrow.